Hi, I'm Iris and I just spent 5 weeks in Mallorca. Before this, I was in South Africa and I'm planning to spend a month in Dubai soon. So while I'm taking you along to my favorite island, I figured this is the perfect opportunity to share with you how I actually afford to travel all the time. Growing up in a society where hustle culture and burnout is pretty much normalized, I saw the adults around me being overworked, staying in the same job they weren't really happy with for 40 years, and go on a holiday once a year, but then being so rushed that they can't really enjoy or properly take their time to explore, and by the time they get back, they were tired from running around sightseeing, but there was no more time left to rest before going straight back to work. Very early on, I made the decision that I didn't want this to be my life. And I'm in no way saying that there is one right way to live life or that going the normal way is wrong. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. If that's what you prefer, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It was just not the right fit for me. So what I did was, when I was 18-19 years old, I made sure that I chose a career or professional field that was in general more known to be open to let people work from their laptops. And after university, I got myself a remote job, and then another one after that. So when you see my videos, a lot of the footage is from the weekends or evenings, essentially whenever I'm free. But during the week, I am working, just like everybody else. The only difference is that I work from my Airbnb or rental place. I'm a software engineer and that pays my bills. Back home, I live with roommates, I don't own a car, and I spend a lot of time at my parents' place. I keep seeing some comments on my channel here and there that my lifestyle must be funded by influencer money that I make through my YouTube channel, and I wish that was the case. But currently I make between 50 and 100 euros per month through AdSense, which is a nice bonus, but obviously I cannot live from that. And while I've done 1 or 2 sponsorship deals with companies in the past, at the moment I simply don't have the time to be doing collaborations, and I'd rather work on growing my channel a bit more first. So the boring truth is, my job pays for my travels. I put in a lot of work and dedication to create these opportunities for myself, and I didn't listen to the people around me who told me that's not possible. But one of the most overlooked aspects when it comes to me and a lot of other people who live a similar lifestyle to mine is simply privilege. I was privileged to grow up in a quote-unquote rich country. I was privileged to be able to go to university for free and get a good education, which allowed me to find a good job that now eventually gives me the freedom to be so flexible. And that's why whenever my friends or someone else who also grew up in a wealthy country tells me, oh, I wish I could do the same, my answer is, it's up to you to make it happen. And you're more in charge of your path than you realize. And unless you're facing serious health challenges or really difficult circumstances beyond your control, you can totally do things differently to how everyone else around you is doing them. If you weren't that lucky to start with, then it might also be possible, but the truth is, I as a person simply don't know. I truly wish that everyone could experience this and see this for themselves, and regardless if this can help you or not, I will always share the things I've learned along the way and all the amazing resources I've found. On my channel you can find many videos in which I talk about my story, how I found my remote jobs. I list all the remote job sites I know that are legit, and I just recently also created a PDF including everything I wish I had known before starting my remote work journey that you can download, and I will add the links to all this down below in the description box. And if this helps just one single person, then I'm happy and I've achieved my goal. Because I want my videos to be helpful and motivate you to go after your dreams as well. So yeah, I decided that just following what everyone else does isn't gonna make me happy, and I worked hard to get to where I am today. But I was also privileged enough to even make that decision in the first place and create the life that fits my needs. And I kinda wish more influencers were honest about this, because everyone always tells you just do this or just do that, and oh, it's actually so easy. It can be, but some people simply don't have the option to do so. No matter who you are or where in the world you are, I'm cheering on you to go live the life you deserve. And if there is just the tiniest spark of hope that it could become your reality, I believe it's always worth giving it a go. It might take a long time, it might require you to make mistakes or fail in some way or another, but if there is something that draws you towards it so strongly that you just cannot get it out of your head, maybe just take the leap.